What's up, everybody? This next circuit is a great one for your hips. It can unlock your hips, allowing for more mobility, also more stability. And if you might have a posture that's forward hip, meaning you arch your lower back and your hips are forward, like track guys, oh my gosh. If you have a track athlete, if you've seen one, they literally, like sprinters, literally look like this. I'm exaggerating, but this is a great stretch to take us out of this posture and bring our hips forward, activating our glutes, which is just overall a healthier way to move and live. So first exercise, we're going to do quad hip circle. This is going to be 2 each direction, so full circles. And then we're going to go glute bridge, so turning on the glutes even more after we did in the hip circle. And then we're going to stretch it out at the end, so doing a half kneeling, quad hip flexor stretch, and this is going to be with arm overhead, stretching out that same side hip flexor. And that's going to be 3 breaths each side. So quad hip circle, I'm going to be in all fours. I'm going to start out by going out to the side, just like a dog peeing on a fire hydrant. And then I'm going to go back into a donkey kick position and reset down. To retrace my step, I go back to donkey kick, and then back to fire hydrant. Ooh, gotta work right here. And then reset back. That would be 1 full circle, meaning I went out and then I retraced my steps. I'm doing that 2 times each side. As I'm going, I want to make sure I'm active by pressing the ground away and really activating my core, my belly button as I'm going in repetition. I don't just want to ditch it and let my body kind of fall out of good form. Okay? The next one, we're going to flip on our backs to glute bridge. And we're going to get 10 repetitions here. Heels close to the butt. I'm driving my belt buckle towards the sky. I think I want to squeeze my butt at the top as I go. Then last one, we're going to go to half kneeling. Quad hip flexor stretch. So this is stretching out my quad and up here where the hip flexor is. This is what gets people in that Donald Duck posture that I just showed earlier. So you're going to start out 1 knee on the ground, 1 foot on the ground. Let me show the other side. So if I have my right knee is on the ground, I'm going to take my right hand, put it up in the sky. And you remember the posture I showed y'all just now, like 4 times already? I want to do the opposite of that. So right now I'm in it. How do I get out of this? I have my big Texas cowboy belt buckle. I want to shine my belt buckle forward. So I'm going to bring my hips forward, like almost, here's another way of saying it. If my hips were a bowl of water, I want to pour water out of the back of my hips as if I was tilting the bowl backwards. So I'm really shining that belt buckle forward. Now I'm feeling this stretch in the quad hip flexor. I can even move my arm back. And I'm holding here for 3 breaths each side. We have this circuit 4 times.